Back to the painting, obviously that means the doors and frames are going to be painted, and I talked to Momi, and she wants the hinges changed out to a different color and the doorknobs and stuff. But before I take any of these doors out, I'm going to check the doors and make sure they're opening and closing right, and they're not too close to the edge here. And see this one here, I see it's almost getting ready to rub. And so I'll go around and I'll on this particular door, I'm gonna have to suck that hinge over, and that'll raise this up a little bit. And I know I got enough room there, and it will move this away from the door edge, from the jam edge. You know, so I'll do stuff like that. I'm gonna check every door in here. And in some areas, I've seen where the door's not closing all the way. Well, it is closing, but with this door closed, see how far the door is sticking out from the door jamb, and that's because, hey, you go in here. I know somebody changed out this door before, and they didn't do a very good job, because see, it's up tight. It's up tight to the door stop, okay? But over here, see how big the gap is? Look how big the gap is over here. But with this even being tight like that, the door is still sticking out of the wall a little bit. They didn't use the wrong door. This is an 1 3/8" door. See? Not an 1 3/4" door. But for some reason, they moved the door stop was pushed over too far. I don't have enough room for the whole door in here. This should be moved over a little bit, and it's about at the right place at the bottom, but I can see how this goes up at an angle. I don't know why they did that, but they did.